This is the main dining room. Beautiful garden and a nice pool, don't you think?
I don't know if I showed you any other thing, like, you know. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is, what day is it now? I don't even know. Because I'm so tired. I have just come from a long train trip from Ajmer, which is a city, the big city next to Pushkar. This is where I took the train to, guess what? Welcome to Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Well, I've just entered my hotel after a way of 9 hours about, and I'm exhausted and tired. I have no idea what I'm talking about. But as always, the first thing you go into an hotel, you describe and show, you make a little room tour. So right now, this is the Vivanta Hotel, quite a luxurious and new hotel in Ahmedabad. And let me show you. This is the room. This is the bed, king size bed. Very nice sofa right here. Quite up to date and modernized, as you can see right here. We have a nice table and a nice chair where we can do some work. It is quite a rainy day actually today, believe it or not. Wow, look at that. When I open the window, what I see. The city of Ahmedabad, well, it's quite foggy today and even cloudy, as I said before. It was actually raining when I got out of the train. What a surprise it was to see rain. In India, actually, for the first time, I've seen rain here since I'm here. And hopefully they say tomorrow it will be sunshine, it will be nice. And here we got TV and a nice complimentary table with a, kettle, tea and coffee. And we have a fridge, a mini bar right here. It's actually empty. And let's show you the shower room, as they call it here, or bathroom. So here is an open space. You have a closet right there, a nice big closet to put your clothing. You got even slippers there and hangers. And here you got a safe. And here is even a place for shoes, as you see. Actually, I found something more special here in this room, and this is right here, hidden from behind the bed. Ironing table and an iron machine, if you need, you never know if you need. Well, I don't need it right now, but it's good to know that you have a room and you have this, accessories that might come to use. I don't know if I showed you any other thing, like, Woo! Basically for women, I would say. A mirror, nice mirror, to see your face double the size. And what else? What is that? Oh, look at that. How beautiful is that? They have all kinds of, shampoos and shower gels and body lotions and some other stuff that you need, I guess, for shaving, and a comb. Oh, that's very nice. That's actually very nice. Tissues, which in many hotels around India, you don't get no tissues and no toilet paper. You usually have to ask for it. So there we go. When you pay a little more, which I will talk about it soon, you get also toilet paper and also tissues. Well, so how much have I paid for this hotel? Well, I'm here right now. Closed the deal for 3 nights, and I'm paying around 18,500 rupees, which is around 6,100 something rupees, including tax, for each day. Not a cheap hotel, not very expensive, normal and absolutely good price, I would say, decent price for a luxurious hotel and a spacious room like that, where you can even see that the bed sheets are clean, very white, no stains, and no other shit like bad smells and anything like that, which I usually get when I pay, from 3,000-4,000 rupees or less. And here is the shower room, mirror and shower right there. Toilet, very clean, very nice. Beautiful, nice towels, and this time you got even a shower handle, which is absolutely amazing, and a shower head, and you got everything, a shampoo, a conditioner, a shower gel, and everything needed for a good stay in an absolute good hotel. Right now I'm going to go down and show you a little bit the hotel, show you the lobby, show you the corridors, maybe the swimming pool, and we'll talk later. This is the hallway of the hotel. As you can see, it's a 5-star hotel. Very nice. Here are the lifts. Let's go into the elevator and say hello to Mr. Peace. Another day in Ahmedabad. Oh, I forgot to press the button. G. Lobby. All right, let me show you the pool here. Beautiful garden and a nice pool. Very nice. Part of the outside of it's the first floor of the hotel. Some leaves here. I guess they will clean it. But really cozy place. Very nice to sit and chill out here. Don't you think? Quite good. I like these art on the wall. There we go back, it's in the first floor, right on the floor of the lobby. And here, if I'm not mistaken, here would be the kitchen, I guess. Looks clean. I know I'm not allowed to go in, I just want to show you. And here would be the dining place. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful hall for dining. Part of the restaurant, I guess. Right here. Very nice. Let's go back to the lobby. This is the main dining room. The one I showed you before was actually more like a restaurant, and this is the main dining room where they serve their food, their breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, and everything else. Absolutely beautiful and clean. Very nice, up to date. So, this is the lobby. They actually have even a nice cafeteria here in front of us. A shop where you can buy some coffee, some cakes. Very nice. Hello. Yep. And let's go meet the clerks at the front desk. As you can see, here is the entrance. They have some people welcoming you and guarding also. Here they have a very nice setup and a beautiful ceiling where the sun is coming in, so they don't really need much light in here. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is the front desk. And here you got some managers playing around. I'm joking. So we got Arpan, namaste, hello, and we got Priyatush and Ajay. Ajay seems like the big boss, but he's not, don't worry.
We also have a beautiful lady around with us.
Yes, but she's on the phone. She's very busy now, so we won't disturb her. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the service here is outrageous. Terrible service. Don't ever come here. I'm just joking. Don't even think. They have a beautiful, beautiful service. One of the best services I've got, really. First of all, in Ahmedabad, okay? And Arpan is a special guy. I like him very much. And also, I forgot his name. By the way, Partush is never sleeping. Not at night, not at day, because I meet him around the clock here. I met him yesterday at about 12 or 1 o'clock. And he's right here again in the morning, so I don't know when he's sleeping. And what's more interesting, that these guys, I'm not even sure they are from Ahmedabad, are you? Yeah. You're not? So you are from where?
No, both of us are from the same place.
Ah,
We come from West Bengal.
West Bengal? Ah,
He's
wow.
a localite.
He's a local Ahmedabadi.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice, because I have spoken to some of the staff here, and everyone is like from a different area.
Yeah, we come from Darjeeling.
From Darjeeling.
Darjeeling.
Ah, wow, that's a very nice place.
We call it
The Himalayas.
Yeah.
Wow, I should go there, right?
Absolutely.
But
absolutely.
it's very cold now, right?
This is the best time to go actually. February.
Now?
March. February, March, yeah.
Why, it's not cold?
The winter is just creeping down, so it's the perfect time.
Wow.
Perfect time. March is the perfect time actually.
Really? Okay.
I mean, you can spend your time really well. Like
I see.
what happens in Darjeeling is that it's too cold, and this time, particularly this year, it was very cold and windy as well. Back in our hometown. So now is the perfect time, Darjeeling. You will love it.
Yes. Sorry, how long have you been working here?
3 months.
3 months only, so you know.
Not even 3 months.
And already that profession in the job, that's good. And you?
It's been over a year now.
A year?
Yes.
Ah, so you are a veteran. A veteran in the job. So, by the way, have you ever been outside of India?
So
Any of you?
I have been to Dubai before.
Really?
I was working with the Radisson Group in Dubai.
And you haven't gone out of India?
I'm in Nepal,
ever?
that's it.
Nepal? Oh, okay, good.
I mean, coming from an army family, I've just touched Pakistan and Nepal and come back.
You look Nepali a little bit, should say the
bit.
truth.
I mean, from Darjeeling, right? This is Darjeeling, and Nepalese, they have a lot of, bonding with regards to culture and the language that we speak.
Right.
That's the reason why I do a bit Nepali.
Right. By the way, just so if you wonder, this has nothing to do with any promotion of this hotel because I got zero. How we say it? I got zero benefits from talking to these guys. Okay, but I still like the place and I still like their service, and that's why I talk with them because they're very friendly, as all Indians are actually. But and I really appreciated the stay here.
A gratitude from our end as well. We interact with a lot of guests, day in, day
Right.
out. But with few guests, that connect you on a personal note as well. You feel welcome. You feel
Yes.
like talking to somebody.
Correct.
So you are one of that individual.
Thank you so much. I
Very
appreciate
approachable,
that.
Very nice to talk to.
Thank
and
you so
also
much.
a very humble gentleman. That's the true. I mean, that's how you dignify a person, right?
Correct.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so
Because,
much for
we
the
what
kind
we-
words.
You know, right? This unlike other industries. This
Right.
industry demands a lot.
Right.
Okay. You also work on our holidays.
Right.
So especially when we interact with
The people
guests
that gives
like-
you satisfaction.
Yeah, and especially when we interact with guests like you,
Correct.
it gives us a huge pleasure from our side as well.
Thank you so much for that.
It means a lot to the whole team, because these are the guests we thrive for.
Right.
So thank you so much.
All right. Let's go out. Let's show you the hotel from the outside. Hello, sir. Namaste. All right. So basically, this is the hotel from the outside. Look at the building, magnificent building right there. I'll go a little further so I can show it to you. Every car that comes in is being scanned very strictly. Let me show you the building right there, the nice hotel. You see that roof right there? They're also having some events sometimes going on there on top. And as you see here, they check every car. Every car is being scanned by the security guys here at the entrance, and they don't take anything for granted. So they have a tight security here in this hotel. As you get out, you see some rickshaws waiting for people